Every human drinks 8 glasses of water a day, which can be equivalent to 64 ounces of water every single day. Every human would be drinking 23,360 ounces of water a year, which would mean we would be using $162.42 of water every single year. Now, with plastic water bottles, the pros are they're easy to carry, easily recycled, but the cons can be that the environment could hurt by creating and not disposing them correctly. But with reusable bottles, there would be no need for recycling, could be refillable, and the average cost of them is $5. My campaign would be Save the Water Bottle campaign, which is all about how we would be using reusable bottles instead of using plastic bottles at all. Every student and faculty member would be having this reusable water bottle that would have Go Bears or Go LZ, and they would use this in order to save a lot of water and save a lot of plastic that goes into these plastic water bottles that we buy for our school every single day and every single week just to throw away. Now, we found a very interesting percentage that 30% use plastic bottles, 37% of people use reusable bottles, and 47% of student and faculty members use both. The free water bottle would be a reusable bottle that we can refill in our water fountains. 68% of faculty and students said yes, 32% said no. The school will be having to pay $11,455 for all the reusable bottles for each student and faculty and a member, which seems to be a lot, but if we do think about it, the water that we would be saving would be just as equivalent as we would use for plastic bottles that we buy from all these different companies and all these different stores just to buy them and to recycle them and not use them anymore. If each student in this school used 1 bottle each day, that would equal to 2,000 bottles every single day and 14,000 every single week for the recycling man to pick up. The environmental problems could be that there would be a disposal of water bottles that are dumped into the ocean and can be affected by fish and birds that live in these oceans or in different lakes. The different carbon footprint that we would have is that the factories would no longer have to be using carbon to make these recycled plastic bottles, and the recycling trucks would not have to pick them up. If we were to no longer use the recycling trucks to pick up these plastic water bottles, if we no longer have any plastic water bottles because of using reusable, we would be saving $4,050 a year. And then also to buy the plastic bottles, we'd be saving $54,000 a year. And then to add it all up, it'd be $540,000 for 10 years of not buying these plastic bottles. Each student and faculty member would be given a free reusable water bottle to use for the whole year. And every year, the student and faculty member would be given a new bottle every single year. Even though it's $11,000 to be given a new water bottle every single year to each student and faculty member, we would still be saving a lot of money based off of plastic water bottles